Pilot Select Total Parts Pro. Today with 2014 Ford Ranger, stock number 7117. It's ran from the 6 2011 to the 6 2015. It's a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 3 dents, right front guard, left snorkel, right front 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right front headlight needs polish, right front door guard, right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.